All right, good afternoon, Carolyn. How are you today?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
I am doing well. So I've got your resume here in front of me, and you've applied to an administrative assistant position of ours. What have you been doing most recently for work?
Well, I'm currently trying to leave my gas station position. It's customer service.
Okay, not a problem. Now, how long have you been there?
6 years.
6 years. All right, where you work at the Speedway, I see here in Claremont.
Yes, it's now Rebel. So if you see Speedway slash Rebel, that's why, because they just switched over in September, but it's the
All
same
right.
location.
Okay, fantastic. So you've been there quite some time. So in addition to the customer service and like retail side of things, what do your other job duties entail there?
Well, I cook there. I do the food, and there's cleaning to do over at the gas station.
Okay. All right.
And
Any type of it like functions as far as like paperwork goes or cash handling, reporting, things like that?
No, but I've done paperwork with my previous positions.
Okay. So give me an example.
Well, I don't know if you pulled my resume up from Indeed or if you have like a copy of my resume.
I have
Uh,
the one that when you applied that you uploaded yourself.
okay, that one doesn't have my data entry experience on it, but I have filed medical records through Superior Technical Resources
Okay.
over at Disney's Health Services.
I
There was
see.
also
Yep. I see that. And some also document assisting and customer service at TCA.
Yes, that one I worked on in their tax compliance department at the Hartford, and I did 5 tax seasons there.
Okay.
I also worked in databases and helped with the deliverable mail. In fact, I did not only helped with the deliverable mail, but I defined their department because they didn't have a way to handle their W-9s. So I helped them
Okay.
define those W-9s to where they created an entire new department because of me for the W-9.
All right. Now, why are you looking to leave your current role?
Well, I'm really wanting to get back into a clerical office. It's a little physically demanding over in the gas station. I also have to work on the weekends there and
Understood.
holidays.
I hear that. Yeah, let's get you back into a normal Monday through Friday gig. How's that sound?
That sounds wonderful. I'm looking for a permanent position, but I think this is temp to hire.
Absolutely. And we can talk a little bit more about that when we get off the recording, what temp to hire looks like, because they still are permanent positions. It's kind of a try it before you buy it type of scenario. So I'll explain that a little bit more after we finish learning about you. Tell me, Carolyn, what type of computer software do you have experience working with?
Microsoft Office. I remember when I first started Microsoft Office, it was back in 2005. Now, before that, back in 1993 up until 2005, I had no idea that the industry would change like that because I had a position for 12 straight years in Ohio. That's not on my
Okay.
resume. So, leading up to what happened in 2005, when when I found out about the new technology, I self-taught myself how to do Microsoft Office, and
Okay.
employers actually did like that I was like self-teaching me myself. And I also got some experience when I went to college, Anthem College in 2009, in 2007. They had like an administrative computer class where we
Beautiful.
learned PowerPoint, Excel, and
Okay.
Microsoft Office. There was Access was on there, but Access isn't there anymore. They don't have Access anymore. But that was the database I used at the Hartford and helped them by
Okay.
giving them feedback on what they could improve, and they worked out all the bugs because I was able to give them the feedback that they needed.
Okay. Fantastic. All right. Beautiful. Now, Carolyn, if offered an opportunity, how soon would you be available to start?
I would like to start immediately.
Do you need to give a 2 week notice though where you are?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so 2 weeks from offer then.
Yes.
All right, fantastic. All right, Carolyn. Well, I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording, then I'll chat with you a little bit more about the different types of job options we have.
All right.